How to get World Cup tickets. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get World Cup tickets. First thing you want to do is register on the official FIFA ticket platforms. That is because ticket sales are managed by FIFA and go through official phases. Before tickets go on sale, you must register on the official FIFA ticketing site. For that, head over to fifa.com/tickets. Now, you need to create an account with your name, email, and country, then confirm your registration. FIFA normally releases tickets in stages. The first one is random selection draw phase, a lottery system where you submit requests and FIFA assigns tickets randomly. Next is first come first served phase, where tickets are released and sold until they sell out. Next is last minute sales. Near the tournament dates, remaining tickets may be available. You want to keep an eye on dates on FIFA's website or official social channels. During the random selection, you want to choose the matches you want, then select seat categories and submit before the deadline. So make sure to sign up for alerts and updates. Stay updated and download your tickets from the FIFA ticketing portal. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.